Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether the Thinkorswim mobile app is really worth using in 2025. And here's the straight truth. It brings many of Thinkorswim's powerful desktop features on the go, like advanced charting, technical indicators, watch lists, and paper trading, for free with a Schwab account and is rated around 4.7 stars on iOS for its depth and reliability, but it also faces consistent complaints for being buggy in unintuitive and Android, with users reporting chart inconsistencies between live and paper trading, frustrating order placement issues, setup that doesn't sync with desktop studies, and steep learning curve, occasional slow trade feels, and rigid UI that regular users warn isn't beginner friendly. So, if you're an active trader who values flexibility and customization while away from your desk, it's still a compelling choice, but expect patience, training, and occasional frustrations before it clicks.